Hello crafty cuties! I wanted to give you a closer look at what you can expect to see in the Bohemian Junk Trunk video course, which is included in the Junk Trunk kits or sold separately. It includes 6 videos. The first is a patchwork journal, and I show you how to create a patchwork journal without a sewing machine. So it's very easy and very simple. I go over all of the different steps that you need to create this journal. And I also show you how to do a hidden binding method. We decorate the entire journal together and it's lots of fun. The next video is making a wrap journal or a trifold journal. And I am using the items that come in the Junk Trunk kits, but if you purchase just the video course, I also give ideas and some links to some of my favorite shops where I get my materials, and you can always incorporate the things you have at home. With this tutorial, I also go over page decorating ideas, and again, we create the whole journal together. And I love how this one turned out, and I think a lot of you really wanted to see how to make this trifold journal. And I just love how these 2 journals turned out, and I cannot wait to see what your journals look like when you make your own. The next video is creating some very easy Bohemian beads. A lot of you requested this video, and I can't wait to show you how simple it can be to create your own. We use lots of different textures and colors to create some gorgeous Bohemian beads. The next video, we are creating a Bohemian Tassel. This can either go with your beads or separately, and I just take you through the entire process to create a very simple tassel. If you've been with me for a while, this is a little bit different than how I've made them in the past. The next video is a layered textile pocket tag. We go through all of the different steps here as well, and I even go over a little bit of color theory, because sometimes I get stuck on what colors to choose for my stash, and I thought that would be helpful to you guys. The next video is some layered textile tabs. These were super fun to create. You guys always love my layered embellishments. So I basically take you through all the different steps to create some layered tabs that you can put on the edges of your junk journal pages. And last but not least, this video course does include some Bohemian Printables, 3 pages of journaling cards and tags that you can resize and print as many times as you would like to use in your journals. This video course will be available on the release of the Bohemian Junk Trunk Kit Day, which is July 8th at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. See you then!